Hello from Gardening at Dwensa in Ireland, and this is a very mini orchid update, and it's to show you something awful that's happened. It's the disadvantage of having orchids in the greenhouse in the summer. Now, first thing I want to say is that we're looking at my oncidium collection, or most of it at least, and it's suffered a lot from the intensive heat we had this season, this summer. It was very unseasonal and the plants have not done very well at all. Lots of lost leaves, and I don't know if they'll actually recover or not. Cattleyas did well, but the oncidiums have suffered badly because, well, a number of them anyway can't deal with that kind of heat. Okay, anyway, so the oncidiums were in the house during the summer, and what's happened here is that I've moved the cattleyas back into the house from the greenhouse, and there are some of them there at the front, and cattleyas doing well. We can see here that we have some, there we go, sheaths appearing already, which is a good sign. But I had a spike on one of my oncidiums, and I came today to examine it, and see that? I thought first somebody's knocked it, but if we lift up the spike here and go in, you can see quite clearly, whoops, that what's happened is a bite has been taken out of it, and that's because a slug has taken a bite out of it, and the slug has come in with the cattleyas from the greenhouse and infested the oncidiums, and these little devils love new spikes and new growth, which is bad news for anybody who is looking forward to flower spikes on their oncidiums or other orchids. Now, I mean, I wouldn't be completely freaked out about the notion of a slug in my collection, as other growers might be. I mean, they're all part of the natural ecosystem and the course of life, and they deserve their place too, but I prefer not to have them in the house. And now what I need to do is come down at night with my flashlight and try and look out for this fella. He's probably hiding somewhere in the bark there of that oncidium, and I have caught maybe 4 so far, not particularly with this group of orchids, but where the majority of the cattleyas are. And yeah, it's just one of those things. Now I could use slug pellets, but they have a nasty habit of going mouldy when they get wet, and I really don't want mouldy pellets in there among my collection. So yeah, anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I think I've lost all of the flowers on this particular spike because the buds are above the break. And this is Stirbic, the nice red one. And very sad, but so it goes. One of those things. Okay, that's all for now, and stay tuned for more orchid updates. I'll start to show you the cattleyas soon, and of course I have to put up my grow light that I received recently. So there'll be a video coming on that. Thanks for watching. Bye.